screen. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review on this unit right here. So if you want to know my thoughts and how I feel about this unit and the details, continue to watch, and also don't forget to subscribe. So okay, let's jump into this review. So I'm going to give you guys the details on this wig, and then I'm going to give you my thoughts. So earlier in the video I did post like the cap and the inside cap and what I did all to it. So I'm going to give you more details. The cap size on this wig is, let's see, let's test it out. It's very it has a very comfortable cap, so I do believe it will fit all head types. The texture is like a soft yaki texture, and the length is about, I would say, probably like 10 or 12 inches. And then it has like a wavy curl pattern. I will do a 360 soon. Let's see, the lace is a, does it say? It does not say what type of lace that. Oh, the lace is actually, this is a lace parting wig, so there was no lace to cut. I will speak about that later on. So yeah, this is a lace parting wig. This is like a wavy style wig, and it is a human hair style mix, which means that it's mixed with human hair with synthetic fibers. It does have a nice soft density. So yeah, this looks pretty good. So I'm gonna give you guys a 360 front, side, the back. Yeah. So okay, so let me speak about this lace parting. So I'm gonna get close so you guys can see the lace. Now the lace does blend well. My only issue is, since it is a lace parting, it's like a, how can I describe it? It doesn't lay flat. So you can clearly see, you know, my face detached from the wig almost. Do you guys see that? Due to it being a lace parting, a lot of lace parting wigs, you don't have that issue, but with this wig I do find that I have that issue. So that is one con that I do have with this unit, is that the color does make it easier to manipulate, but for me, I pretty much, you know, will probably wear a hat with this. I did wear this all day today. The other con that I had is that it has a few flyaways to where a couple strands will, you know, get in my face. So I did have that. And let's see what else. Other than those two things, I really do like this wig. If I was to wear this wig, it would be with a hat. I did wish that it did come with lace to cut so that this part can lay down flat. So to me, that's kind of like a major con. And yeah, it's kind of like a major con, but because of the price that I did pay, it's okay because I can still wear a hat. It is winter time for, you know, where I live at. So other than that, this is a pretty decent wig. But yeah, those are the two cons. This is a nice wig. I just wish that they had lace that laid flat. But yeah, let me show it to you guys. Do you see that? That's my major con. The flyaways, I don't really care about that. But because of this, you know, this part is like, So yeah, that is all that I have regarding this wig. I hope you guys find this video very helpful. If you did, please thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel if you want to keep in touch with me. I do try to review units that I like and that are also new. So thanks so much guys for watching, and I see you guys later.